Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to play local in chess.com. First of all, open chess.com application. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the option play that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the downward arrow. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for play in person. Tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to play in person. Before that, you can manage the settings if you want. You can see who is allocated white and black. You can tap on the swap icon in order to swap it. Likewise, you can also choose the type by tapping on the field of type. You can see the option for standard, chess 960 and custom. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, tap on the option time control. Right over here, you'll be able to see various options over here. You can simply tap on the option of your choice. You can also choose if you want to rotate your board or not. Toggle on the option for board rotates if you want to rotate it. Toggle it off if you do not want to rotate it. After you do that, tap on the play option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the game has been started. Now you will be able to play local on chess.com. So that is how you play local in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.